Walk the pavement, understanding everyday English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, walk the pavement. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, walk the pavement, typically means to walk on the sidewalk or along the streets in a city or town. Pavement, in this context, refers to the hard surface of a road or sidewalk. This expression is often used to describe someone who is walking, especially in an urban environment, as part of their daily routine or out of necessity. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. Every morning, I walk the pavement to get to my office downtown. 2. After losing his job, he had to walk the pavement looking for new opportunities. 3. As a tourist, I love to walk the pavement and explore the city's neighborhoods. These examples show how walk the pavement can be used in different contexts, for a daily commute, searching for something, or exploring an area. There are similar phrases and synonyms you might hear. For instance, hit the pavement often means to start walking, but can also imply beginning any kind of work or activity. Pound the pavement is similar and is often used to describe searching for a job or working hard. Understanding these variations can help you better grasp the nuances of English expressions. I hope this video has helped you understand what walk the pavement means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, expressions like these can add flavor to your language and help you sound more natural. So, don't hesitate to try them out. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.